Hey everyone, it's your girl Cosmix of Wonderland, and if you would like to see how I go from this to this, then stay tuned because here we go. This wig is like way too big for me. It's meant for someone with like a scalp size twice as mine. Cause you can see like the lace is flipping up here, and that's because I guess my ears should be down here or something. This is supposed to like get glued like this, you know? But no woman has hair all the way down here. Like, I don't know, that's really weird, but I think what I'll do is I think I will be able to make this wig work.
With more practice.
I have clear eyelash glue right here, and I'll try and glue it into place, and I bet then I will like this so much more. Because now that I'm like looking at it here, this is really natural. Like, I like it. I think I can make this work.
I thought that if I used eyelash glue that I would be able to get the lace to stick to my face. I learned that that was a total fail, and so I need some more practice with my new wig before I can actually fully wear it and wear it efficiently and fool everybody. Make them think that I just grew a ton of hair out of nowhere like some magical beast. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get to the end card where I just put my normal go-to gray and black wig on because I know how that one works. This one I need to delve into and build a relationship with. Anyone who wears wigs and weaves, you get me, you understand. My wig needs to learn me and I need to learn it. I'm going to just pick all this glue off now.
So the makeup look is done. It's finally finished. What do you guys think of my look? Oh my gosh. This was somewhat inspired by James Charles and Kylie. Just a little bit, but I gave it my own spin. And I think it turned out amazing. I'm in love with this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay fantabulous, and as always, I will stay fantabulous for you guys. Bye. Oh, and if you're wondering, I am not wearing my lace front wig because I still need to play around with it. I thought I could make it work, but I couldn't. I had a bunch of eyelash glue stuck to my forehead, and the wig wasn't staying on. It was kind of a disaster. So I just put on what I am used to, and now we fierce. Anyways, bye!